Come on, let's go. Get your leash on. Get your leash. Let's go.
Come on. Gonna make a quick trip to the UPS store and then Ace Hardware.
Turn right onto Navarre Parkway, then make a U-turn. Use the left lane to make a U-turn at Jotum Lane.
Everywhere in Navarre requires a U-turn. And when you're in a big dually with an 8-foot bed on it, so we're way over here. You're about to see the horrible turning radius of this truck. That is fully locked right there. It takes almost 3
In
lanes.
half a mile, turn right into the parking lot.
Yeah, we made it though.
But I wouldn't trade it for any other truck.
We love our truck.
At the next light, turn right. Starting route to Walgreens.
Back up some more. Keep backing up. Yep. We're taking the wide turn here.
Oh man. Little dually.
Little.
Arrive.
She can't help it. She got a big butt.
She got some size on it. Is it waiting for you and
Just you.
just me?
Yep.
We're gonna park away from everybody.
There's Stella! Waiting for us. Get in the back. Get in the back, honey.
Oh, well, hello, Miss Stella. All right, we gotta beat this other truck out of here. We're gonna be stuck.
Okay. Hi. Oh, and we get to do yet another U-turn.
I'm just ecstatic. I'm stoked.
All right,
Not
get in
only
the back.
that, we got to get
in the
across 2 lanes of traffic on a highway. In Florida, in a dually, with people aggressively waiting behind us.
Yeah, they are waiting. He's, yeah,
Dude,
really, yeah, he did that. He's just gonna sit right there and wait.
there's Deb's coffee. That is fantastic coffee, by the way.
We already passed the Slippery Mermaid, and that's fantastic sushi.
Yes. And what you're going to get to see is where the dually has to park because it's too big to fit on our site.
So this is where we parked in the overflow parking. Here's our cute little campground and the pool. And that's where we're parked, right there. And it is warm enough to be in the pool in December. There's the water down there. I really like this campground. It's a little bit tight for parking. As you can see, we had to park down there. But other than that, we like it. I had some people ask me what we did for Christmas decorations. This is our solution.
You can't really see it, but that bracket right there is broken, which means the valance is hanging low. And for the past couple of weeks, we've been trying to figure out how to sandhill to get this thing off. And Maria has figured it out. Done. Woo! So what you would think should take 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Never. That never happened.
So I've got two more that we've got to get done, and honestly, I don't think it's going to happen today.
What you got there?
We're gonna, I don't know what kind of fish this is, but
You caught it though.
did I?
Yeah.
Well, it's got to be grouper.
Yeah. I think that's what the package said.
What I'm doing is I'm just going to create these little cross sections in this fish so that it's like that. That's going to give a place for all this seasoning that we're about to put on it, a place to live. And you can't really do this wrong, but so we got this stuff in Pensacola at a butcher shop.
Oh, it says Costello's Butcher Shop on it. That is Pensacola, Florida, and we bought some freshly butchered meat there.
Yep.
And it was real good.
Bought some Wagyu beef. So Marie and I like things that are really hot, so I'm going to put a base layer
Whoa, that's fun.
of paprika on it.
That ain't paprika.
I mean, cayenne. And I'm going to put a little black pepper on it.
And I already put some lemon juice on it.
Maria put the lemon juice on it. And then I'm going to take this blackening seasoning. We're going to get it all down in them.
Stella, what you doing? Stella's on neighborhood watch.
Miss Kravitz.
You want to light the grill? You want to light the grill? Okay, let's go. Come on. we got going on over here. Woo-wee. Ah. Look at what a beautiful evening it is. We don't always eat healthy, but when we do, we put a lot of spice on it. It's a beautiful sunset. And a nice dinner. I'm gonna sit out here and enjoy it.